Hello all my friends, good day. Here Liz from Guangzhou Keou Lighting Company. Here Liz at the booth of our Canton Fair. This is our booth. Our new model attracts lots of clients' interest. Okay, next I will show you our superstar new model. This model attracts lots of clients' likes at the fair. Colorful adjustable frameless panel. We have more choice of the colors. As you can see, our new products attract lots of clients. If you are there, welcome to visit our booth. If you are not there, welcome to follow our social media. Our professional sales team will follow you. Thank you. Bye-bye.